Hi, welcome back to Love English. Today, our lesson is about the difference between two common English verbs. And these two words are say and tell. අපි say කියන එකයි tell කියන එකයි දෙකම English conversation වල අහලා තියෙනවා. There's no doubt that you have heard of these two words before. But only thing is we have to use these two words differently in our conversations. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් say කියන එකයි tell කියන එකයි use කරන්නේ විදි දෙකකට. So it's better for you to understand the difference between those two verbs as well as to know how to use these two words differently in your conversations. So today we'll focus on that, and without wasting much time, let's get into the lesson. First, let's talk about say. Say කියන එක බලමු. Say කියලා කියන්නේත් කියනවා කියන එක. But only thing that you have to keep in your mind is we always use say when we are not mentioning the listener. අපි කියන්නේ කාටද කියන එක mention කරන්නේ නැත්නම් විතරයි say කියන එක use කරන්නේ. එහෙම නැතුව අපි mention කරනවා නම් ඒ දේ කාටද කිව්වේ කියලා අපි say කියන එක use කරන්නේ නැහැ. For example, she said that she was tired. She said she was tired. She said she was tired. ඒ කියන්නේ එයා කිව්වා එයාට මහන්සි කියලා. She said she was tired. එතකොට මෙතන නැහැ එයා කාටද කිව්වේ කියලා. She said she was tired. එයා කිව්වා එයාට මහන්සි කියලා. හැබැයි මෙතන කාටද කිව්වේ කියන එක නැහැ. So these kind of situations we have to use the word say. මේ වගේ දෙයකට අපි tell කියන එක use කරොත් ඒක වැරදි. So we always have to use say when we do not mention the person whom we are talking to. When we are not mentioning the listener. Listener කියලා කියන්නේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඒ කියන එක අහන කෙනා. ඒ කියන්නේ කාටද කියන්නේ කියන එක තමයි මෙතනින් කියන්නේ. එතකොට listener කියලා කියන්නේ ඒකයි. එතකොට listener කෙනෙක් ඔයා mention කරන්නේ නැත්තම් ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරනකොට කවුරු හරි දෙයක් කෙනෙක් කිව්ව දෙයක් කියනකොට හැබැයි ආයි කාටද කිව්වේ කියන එක මේ ස්පෙસિෆිකලි මෙන්ෂන් කරන්නේ නැත්නම් අපි හැමතිස්සෙම යූස් කරන්න ඕනේ say කියන word එක. She said she was tired. තව example එකක් බලමු. He said he's not coming. He said he's not coming. එයා කිව්වා එයා එන්නේ නැහැ කියලා. He said he's not coming. අපි උන්තරක් casual English වල කියනවා එයා කිව්වා එයා එන්නේ නැහැ කියලා. He said he's not coming. But we never use the word tell in here. If we do not mention the listener, we always have to use the word say. Now let's move on to tell. Tell we use if we do mention the listener. If we do mention the listener, we always have to use the word tell. For example, my sister told me the truth. My sister told me the truth. මගේ සහෝදරය මට ඇත්ත කිව්වා. My sister told me the truth. Told me the truth. ඒ කියන්නේ එක්තන clearly mention කරනවා කාටද මේක කිව්වේ. අපි ගත්ත වාක්‍යයක කියන්නේ මට. She told me the truth. එතකොට අපිට tell කියන එක use කරන්න පුළුවන්. But I cannot say, I can never say my sister said me the truth, which is wrong. I cannot tell like that. මට කියන්න බෑ she said me කියන එක මට කියන්න බෑ. My sister said me කියන එක මට කියන්න බෑ because we do mention the listener, so we cannot use the word say. So this is the basic difference between the word say and tell. Let's get another example for tell. I can say they told us to wait outside. They told us to wait outside. They told us to wait outside. They told us. So there I can never use the word say. I cannot say they said us to wait outside. That's totally wrong. It's not suitable. So then we can say they told us to wait outside. මොකද අපිටයි කිව්වේ. එතකොට අපිට tell කියන word එක තමයි use කරන්න වෙන්නේ. So this is such a simple thing that you need to keep in your mind, but only thing is like if you know the correct way of how to use these words, it could make a big difference in your speaking. and you can sound more correct in your conversation. And also, this is the very basic way that you have to keep that in your mind. Say something, say something. There's no listener in between. Say something. But tell someone something. Tell someone something. You always tell somebody something, but you just say something. For example, we can say, she said she's coming late. She said she's coming late. She said she's coming late. And also about tell, we can say, he told me a secret. He told me a secret. He told me a secret. So this is very simple. Always try to understand the difference between these two words. I know it sounds very simple, but it can make a huge difference in your conversation. So again and again, I'm telling you to be very careful about using these two words, say and tell. If you do not mention the listener, you can always use say. And if you do mention the owner, you can use tell. This is the lesson that I want to share with you today. I know it's super easy, but it's very important when it comes to your daily conversations. See you with another interesting lesson like this the next day. Till then, keep smiling, keep learning, and love English. Bye.